Uh-oh, Misty's nail started to bleed during a trim.
Don't worry, I've got a pet first aid kit.
Uh-oh, Jane discovered a dog that couldn't find its way home.
Don't worry, I've got a pet first aid kit.
Uh-oh, Gwen got her paw cut while hiking.
Don't worry, I've got a pet first aid kit.
You never know when your pet may need medical attention. Having a first aid kit handy will help hold you over before having us check it out. First aid kits specifically made for pets can be purchased, or you can build your own. Visit this webpage for some suggestions on what to include. A pet first aid kit will include things like bandages, antibiotic ointment, adhesive tape, hydrogen peroxide, safety scissors, and tweezers. Please note, some human medications may be dangerous or deadly to pets. Check with us before including any in your kit. We also like to include some other more generally helpful items, like a spare leash, extra food, treats, portable water bowl, and pet waste bags. And most importantly, include a piece of paper with the phone numbers for animal poison control, and of course, our number. Having these important supplies ready at hand will help ensure that you're prepared for the unexpected.